Now we will draw another part, that is glass cover side. Okay, just follow my instruction. Now we'll take new parts. Okay, now select right plane, click normal to. Now go to sketch, select center rectangle, click on the midpoint, then set height 2275 and the length, no, we have just made a mistake. Length will be 2275. Okay, tick here, and then change height is 6000 millimeter, and our length will be there is a mistake. We have done a mistake, so back. Okay, this is our plane, right plane. Select a center rectangle, then put height 6000 and length is 2275 millimeter. That is our glass cover side part. Okay, now rebuild, select sketch, and we'll make it 3D. Go to feature, select extrude boss, and thickness here we should put 75 millimeter thickness. Okay, that will be our glass material. So change the material, go to glass section, gloss, and we will select reflective clear glass. Okay, that is our glass. So this is our glass cover. Now we will save it in the same way that we have discussed in our many previous video. Go to file, save, name it as okay, properly select your destination file. Okay, name it as glass cover site. Glass cover site. Remember this, you should put all the parts in same folder. That will be helpful when we do assembly. Okay, save. Okay, our glass cover side is done. We will do another part in the next video. Thank you.